What's going on, guys? We are back at it again, this time with a interior mod for the lighting of the Tacoma. So we're going to be working with this one right here. From this to that. So stay tuned.
Don't change that channel. It is time for...
You're so annoying. I got the actual lights from Tacoma Beast. So 2 map lights, 1 dome light, 4 vanity, 2 license plate lights, and all LEDs. I will put a link down in the description below. We'll show you the how-tos and basically what bulbs we're going to be using from the OEM to now LED. Let's get doing. Let's get it doing. Let's get the ball rolling. Push it back in your hole. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, so I'm gonna leave you out. Okay, let's see here. I just gotta pull it out. It's just a pain in the butt because, you know, big hands. So, as you can see by how bright these are, they're done. Not that bad, pretty bright. So let me put it back in and we'll get a better look. Not bad. Pretty bright. They do their job. Yeah, they're not bad. They work. On to the next part. Alright, let's get to the back side and get this one done. There's a little spot right there and another one right there. Fly head, pop it on off. Alright, another way of doing it. Pulling it from the top. There's the clips, push it right in place. There's a metal clip that goes right over the actual light itself. Watch out, it's actually kind of warm, so when you do it this way, it's going to be hot, so make sure to turn it off. Now, just gotta pull the bulb out. You gotta do it with a fly head, do it with your fingers, make sure it's, you know, not too hot. This one is done too as well, so you can get an idea from that to that nastiness. It definitely helps out with getting light in the cab. So let me show you how to take those off. I'll give you an example. Bright as hell. Like, what is that? Damn. What is that? What I'm going to be using is just a really thin flyhead. Doesn't break it. Just pops it out of its spot. And that's it. There's the old bulbs. So the one to the left, LED. One to the right, just your basic OEM. So just want to give you an idea. Not bad at all. Didn't take too long, but the outcome, well worth it. Okay, that's that. I'm done. So we're looking at the next one after this, which is going to be the fog spray paint, fog lights in a yellow. We'll be doing that tomorrow, and then on top of that, we'll be doing a Viper cut. So got a lot of things coming up. Now, if you haven't actually been to the page, what's going on? My name is Robert. I'm the creator of the brand Midnight Legends, a page dedicated to more so around my life as of what I'm doing to vehicles I've past owned, and to newer vehicles now that I am wanting to mod, wanting to fix for better. Like I said, for my livelihood of, kind of more like a daily vlog type situation. As you can see, the kid is in the back. So we're going to start off a journey of modding this Tacoma.